SMS forwarding lets you forward incoming text messages from one phone number to anywhere else. This can be useful if you find yourself in a situation where you don't want to give out your real phone number, or you could use it to create a phone number for your business. Here's what our finished application will look like inside of Twilio Functions. Twilio Functions is Twilio's serverless JavaScript environment for building applications right inside of the Twilio console. We use a Twilio CodeExchange quick deploy project so that with the push of a button, we'll be up and running in no time. For this SMS forwarding app, we're going to have incoming messages to our Twilio phone number forward to our primary cell phone number. We could use this to create a business phone, or you could also use SMS forwarding to make your real phone number more private for instances where you don't want to share your real phone number, or if you're traveling, you could use SMS forwarding to forward text to an international phone number so that you never miss an important message. All you need for this application is a Twilio account, a Twilio phone number, and a personal phone to experiment with. The way this app works, a message gets sent to our Twilio phone number, and then Twilio runs a function that forwards the text to a new number that we specify. We're on Twilio's CodeExchange at twilio.com/code-exchange, and I'll click on Quick Deploy to go to our Quick Deploy projects. Once there, I'll click on the SMS Forwarding application to go to the Quick Deploy project for this use case. If you're not already logged into Twilio, you'll need to log in before proceeding. If you don't already have a Twilio phone number, or if you want a new one for this use case, it's really easy to buy one with just a few clicks in the console. I've given the phone number that I'm using a friendly name of SMS Forwarding so that it's easy to find in the list. Now that I have a Twilio phone number selected, all I have to do is enter in my cell phone number in the bottom text field and click on Deploy this application. Once that's complete, I'll click on the button to go to the live application. This page was generated as part of the deployment to indicate the app is ready to go. I'll send a text from my phone number to the Twilio number, and I should get the text I sent right back. So now that I have the SMS forwarding app working, let's edit the code and make a change. We're now inside of the Twilio console accessing Twilio Functions. Twilio Functions is a serverless environment which allows you to build scalable cloud applications quickly using JavaScript. There's one function driving the logic of the application that's called forward message. This function generates some TWIML that tells Twilio to send a message to the phone number stored in the environment variable my_phone_number. Let's make a quick change to the code in line 3 to make it a bit more friendly. We'll change where it says from to you just got a message from, and where it says body, let's make it say here's what they sent. Once these changes are made, we can hit the save button to save the function. Once it's saved, we'll click the deploy all button to deploy the changes. Let's test it out. We can see from the updated message in the response that our changes are deployed. Feel free to customize this function further to fit your needs. CodeExchange quick deploys really are the quickest way to get up and running with common Twilio use cases. There are quick deploy projects for many of Twilio's products. And now that you have SMS forwarding working for your business phone, check out this video to learn how to set up call forwarding.